I used to have a friend. Angifonela atsho ukuthi ngithayi ngisemsebenzini officeini athi can I come kuwe ngize sizodla lunch bese kabiza ifani yaleyo Nigeria. I don't remember his name loyo baba loyo.
Yeah.
Hayi Chomi, yazi ngicela ukuthi ungenzele ifavor. Ngithi yani ifavor. Umuntu wami indoda yami ifuna ukuvula ifranchise bafuna umuntu osebenzisa that specific bank. Athi yazi uthi ngenile imali. Hayibo ngiphume masengitshayisa ngiye ePark Station 3000 liphume. Manje sleep ngithole 400 and something thousand.
Hayibo.
Mina nje phansi we computed it. Athi le mali uyithathephi? Hey athi hlala la kancane. Hleli la kancane. Hi makathi lo mlungu lo kimi athi do you know where the money le mali buyapi? Ngithi I don't know. Athi le mali itshontshe ku property. Ama property angazi awani bayihlanganisa bayangena ku account yakho.